Alright guys, so quickly in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can access Midjourney free unlimited version, right? So with this Midjourney free version, you can create unlimited images for free without a Midjourney subscription, right? So everything that I have talked about in the previous video on how you can create images, how you can upscale it, how you can create specific kind of images applies using these tools also, right? So nothing changes. It's just the same Discord you'll be using, the same methods and everything, right? It's one of the best alternatives to Midjourney that you can use to create unlimited free images, right? So it's called Blue Willow, and one of the best AI image creator out there that you can use to create unlimited free images, right? So to get started with this, you head to bluewillow.ai. This is the address, bluewillow.ai. The link will be somewhere around the video, so you can proceed to get started, right? So once you enter the web address, it's going to bring you to this page where you see the Blue Willow landing page here, right? So the next thing we'll do is to click on the join the free beta. It's going to load a page that will ask you to log into your Discord to accept the invite to your Discord, right? So it's simply the same thing with Midjourney. You go to the website, click on join the beta, and it's going to direct you to the page where you can accept the invite to the Discord server, right? If it's your first time clicking on join the beta with Blue Willow, it's going to ask you to accept an invite to your Discord, right? So for me, I already have my Discord connected to Blue Willow, right? So it's basically the same thing with Midjourney, right? So once you are in the Blue Willow server, by your left hand side, you see a panel where you can see different rooms here. We call them rookie rooms, where you can get in to any of these rooms and start generating images, right? Like I've also mentioned in Midjourney, right? Midjourney also had these rooms that you can also interact and see what other people are creating, right? So for me, I'll choose any of these rooms to start generating my images, right? So based on the previous videos with Midjourney, if you're creating an image with Blue Willow, the first thing you need to do is to type the /imagine keyword, and you can enter the prompt of the image you wanted to create. And with this tool, right, you can create unlimited images for free without any subscription, monthly subscription generally, right? So to get started, you type in the prompt you wanted to create, right? So for me, I already have a prompt I wanted to create. I paste it there, then click enter. Basically the same thing you do with Midjourney that I've already mentioned earlier, right? So it's going to take a few minutes to generate your image, less than 60 seconds. As you're creating yours, you will see other people's work also popping up around the area, right? So you carefully scroll down to find yours. So it's done with mine, right? So you can see this is what it created, right, with this AI tool, right? It's called Blue Willow, and you can create images for free unlimitedly with this, right? You may be asking, what's the difference between this and Midjourney? Midjourney is based on a very different AI model, and this is also based on a different AI model, right? And for now, you can create unlimited images for free using this, right? So there are some styles if you want to create images, some image styles you want to create that you need to use Midjourney for. But basically, you can create almost any kind of images, right? Anything you type is going to come up with something for you, right? I had tried the same prompt earlier, and it created me something very different. Yeah, the same prompt I entered, it created this earlier for me, and now I'm entering the same prompt, and it's coming out with this, right? So it shows that it doesn't create the same image even with the same text that you ask it to create, right? So basically, let me go back again to explain more what I am saying, right? Okay, so one of the best AI image generation tool I use is called Midjourney, which I've already introduced you to. Unfortunately, at the point of creating the course, Midjourney is to allow you to create almost 25 images for free using their platform, but recently, due to high demand, they've been shutting down free users due to high demand and some complications that arise. Now I'm introducing you to another platform. It's called Blue Willow, right? Similar to Midjourney. Everything is the same. How you create images is the same. How you ask it to create images for you is the same. But with this AI tool, you create images unlimitedly for free, right? So first thing you do is to go head on to the website bluewillow.ai. Then it brings you to this landing page where you click on the join the free beta, and it takes you from this page to another page where you log into your Discord to accept the invite to your Discord, right? So once you accept the invite, you would see this icon up here in your Discord at the top left hand side of your Discord. If this symbol indicates the blue willow, and this, if you already have the Midjourney connected already, it indicates Midjourney, right? If you have a Midjourney subscription and you want to continue using Midjourney, you can go ahead to use Midjourney here. And also, if you want to continue creating images for free, testing out the things that I've taught in this course before you start upgrading to the paid plan of Midjourney, you can go ahead with this, right? So the image creation process is the same with what I have said earlier with Midjourney, right? If you want the first image, what you have to do is to click U1, right? Counting from the top left, you have U1, U2, U3, U4, right? And if you want to upgrade the first one, it's you click on this U1. That is going to give you the same image, the particular image on its own, standing alone, where you can download it to your device, right? And then if you want different variations of the first image, you click on V1. If you want the different variations of the second image, you click on V2. Same also for V3 and V4. And so that's basically how you can create unlimited free images using these AI tools that I've introduced you to, right? So you don't have to bother yourself with subscription, although the Midjourney has its own advantage, right? So for me personally, I use Midjourney because it's one of the best that I have used so far, and the fact that Midjourney is paid gives me also another reason why I want to use it. You that are just starting, for those just starting and you want to go ahead to create free images, right? So everything that I've talked about, everything that you can do with Midjourney, you can also do with this AI tool, right? So every steps that I've talked about on how you can create images in Midjourney applies here also, right? All the styles you want to use with Midjourney also you can be used here, right? So the first thing you do is /imagine keyword to bring up the prompt where you can type in what you want it to be, right? The same with Midjourney, right? So you type in what you want here and then click on send for it to start processing your image. And then if your image get lost in the crowd of other people's work, the first thing you do is to go to this icon here where it says inbox, and then you click on it. You see where your mentions are, right? Where you have been mentioned, right? So that's where you find your images, all the images that you've asked the bot to create for you, right? Right, so basically this is how you create free unlimited images, the free version of Midjourney with free unlimited images that you can create using AI. All the other processes of how you can monetize this also applies to this tool also, right? So there you go. This is how you get access to the free version of Midjourney to create unlimited images for free.